frustrated. We thought maybe a gift would help.
I seem frustrated. A gift maybe help? Baby, after the show. No. Come on, dog. Thank you so much. What is this? Well, don't clap. It could be a bomb. We don't know. We don't know yet. I came to Iowa and I guess, yeah.
That's because of the other. That's because of the Build-A-Bear joke.
Listen, guys, I've never ended a show early before, but I'm sure you would all understand if I had to wrap things up, right? There's one more thing in here. Cookies! Are you kidding me? The blowjob's gonna have a hard time beating this. This is fantastic. It's like the perfect consistency, too. Oh my God. Thank you so much. What's your name? Christina, you are so hot. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
She's a grandma.
You're a grandma? Yeah. Let's put that shower chair to use. There's already plastic on the furniture. Let's make a mess, you know? How old are you? Say it. Say it. This is dirty talk to me. Come on, let's go. Let's say a number. 40, 45? Are you serious? Are you from here? Really? We gotta get you out of here. We gotta get you the fuck out of here. Minneapolis at least. Let's just get you out. Let's just get you down the road. You're not married or anything? You bunch of fucking idiots. Oh my God, you local morons not marrying this beautiful woman who makes great cookies. Stupid. I'm so sorry. What? Are you divorced? How long were you married for? 16 years. 16 years? I'm so sorry. How many kids do you have? 4. Oh, what? That's enough though, right? You have your tubes tied? You do? I'm gonna fucking move to Des Moines.
These are my sisters.
Those are your sisters? You have 3 sisters?
I'm the oldest out of 9.
9? Would you like to have such a hot older sister? Does she know she's hot? Does she know that?
No.
She doesn't? No. Good. Keep her humble. You're nothing, Christina. You're gonna be stuck here in Iowa forever unless well, that's gaslighting. What's that? What was it? What did you want to show me? Was it a bank statement? What was it? Your daughter? This is your daughter?
Show us.
Are you serious? No, nobody else can see her, actually. I don't want Iowa to know she's out here. This is your daughter? How old is she? This is the 21-year-old? This is a very tough decision to make, you guys. I don't know if you've ever been put in this position, but...
She's in Jacksonville.
She's in Jacksonville, Florida? I'll be down there. I think later on this year. She looks exactly like you. This is insane. Yes, she does. She's gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to date you for the next 10 years, and then we'll trade up. Fuck, this is about to be the most uncomfortable Thanksgiving I've ever been to in my life. Damn. Yeah, because if you taste this good, it's going to be a problem. What's your biggest fear?
Losing my kids.
Losing your kids. You might find them. No, that's bad. But if the one in Jacksonville goes missing, mind your business. Okay? She's in good hands. Got your phone? All right, let's swipe out of Instagram and see what else is in here. Now let's go through a photo album. Let's,
No, wait.
Here's the thing. I won't open it if you just tell me what's in there.
I had a lump in my breast.
You had a lump in your breast?
And I had a mammogram.
You had a mammogram recently.
I'm best friends with my kids.
Mm-hmm.
And so I FaceTimed my daughter, the hot one.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, you're not going to ask for ugly people's advice. Yeah, I totally get it.
So there's screenshots of her and I FaceTimed you.
With just a tit out. Fuck. Because, like, you know it's in the palm of your hands. Ah! Did you get the results back?
Yes.
You're okay?
I'm okay.
Need a second opinion? You sure? Text messages.
Text Maggie.
Is that Maggie your daughter?
FaceTime her.
Maggie, that is not your angle. Where are you right now?
Hungover as shit. Oh my god.
Do you know how hot your mom is?
I know.
You're well aware of your competition, right? Like, you know you can't bring anybody home.
I know.
Your mom was stupid enough to give me her phone, and I was going through your guys' text history, and gross. But I'm glad she got that lump checked out, though. I checked it out. Everything's totally okay. Second opinion. Everything's totally all right.
See your kitties?
Sure did. And,
You're a lucky motherfucker.
I don't know. All right, Maggie, say bye to your mom real quick.
Bye, Mom. I love you.
Bye, Maggie. Hear them? What do you mean?
They fucked them up.
What do you mean they fucked him up? Who fucked up your titties? The doctor? Do you have fake boobs? Fuck. Prove it. What do you? They make sounds. Like what? Like what sound do fake titties make? Cha-ching. Thank you guys for coming on this date with Christina and I hope you guys have thoroughly enjoyed watching me ruin this family. What was that?
What the fuck?
You're lying. That did not just happen. Was that a real thing? She has a squeaky toy in her titties. And you talking to a doll. That's crazy. What? I don't think that's a mistake. I think that's the best thing to have ever happened. You can get squeaky toys inside your titties? Can you customize them like a Tesla horn? What made you get them done? 4 kids. Did you breastfeed? 2 of them? Damn. Because you know it goes great with cookies. Milk. Silicone.